think again of Martin Luther King. So he gives this speech in 1963, but he actually started working on civil rights 8 years earlier in the Montgomery bus boycotts. So in 1955 is when he really starts to get a part of it. So that means for 8 years, he's thinking about this problem. So yeah, he eventually gets to, I have a dream type what could be situation, but he starts at a place of what is. So even in that 1963 speech, he references the Emancipation Proclamation. He says, for 100 years, the Negro has been not free. Or he actually says, since 100 years ago, we had the Emancipation Proclamation, and still the Negro is not free. He's tied up in the manacles of segregation and the chains of discrimination. So he has this really compelling, yes, vision for the world, but it comes out of a place of this is what's actually going on right now.